Hey guys, it's Mr. Tearapart, and at this point some of you already know my PC-O11 Dynamic build. I'm running an Intel i5-6600 with a 4.5 GHz overclock. I also have an MSI GTX 1080 Aero card that is also slightly overclocked, and it's sitting inside an EVGA all-in-one hybrid cooler. If you haven't seen that build, I will leave a video link at the end so that you can watch that. And ever since I finished that build, I knew that I had to address the issues with the intake fans. I set up that build so that the intake fans are underneath, drawing in fresh air, but I didn't really have good intake fans at the time that I finished my build, and I started my research to find really the best fans that I could possibly buy. I'm the type of guy that anytime I see a sale on fans or every time I come across a fan that has good reviews, I tend to buy it. I have more fans laying around than pretty much any other computer part, and I wanted that to stop. I was doing research, I wanted to find what was the best fans out there, and I of course came across Noctua. Now Noctua is known for making really good silent PC fans. However, they're also known for making these infamous brown and tan fans. And of course that didn't really match my build with what I'm doing in the PC-O11 Dynamic, so I was very happy to learn that Noctua actually does make black fans. Enter the Chromax NFA15s. These premium 140mm fans are controlled by 4-pin connectors and are capable of spinning at 1500 RPM. They also come with swappable anti-vibration pads and 6 color choices to help match any build. Having these pads is a huge plus for me because I wanted powerful and silent intake fans, but enough of that, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the fans are in. It was an extremely easy, super straightforward installation. Just a matter of placing the fans in the case, routing your PWM cables, and attaching the fans to the bottom of the case. For those of you that have been paying attention, you probably realize that the O11 Dynamic does not allow for 140mm fans at the bottom of the case. However, I ran into no clearance issues with my motherboard. I did use tie wraps to attach the fans, and I've ran into no vibration issues or no noise issues whatsoever. Because the PC-O11 Dynamic has room for water coolers and different sizes of radiators, it has several mounting locations that help me attach the fans to the bottom of the case. As for the fans themselves, I am extremely happy with their performance. All of my temperatures are much lower across the board. The fans are virtually silent at idle, and even at full load, they're much quieter than what I had there before. As for pricing, these fans are a little bit on the higher side, especially considering that these are not RGB fans. However, you do still get the stylizing option with those rubber grommets, and you get the reliability of a Noctua product, extremely quiet operation, and performance. These fans move a lot of air. That's gonna be all for today, guys. Go ahead and like if you liked the video. Leave a comment below if you have any ideas or suggestions or any videos that you would like to see. And I do plan on releasing weekly videos and weekly updates, so go ahead and subscribe to make sure that you do not miss out on those.